வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 9 ஹிஸ்ட்ரி யூனிட் 11 colonialism in Asia and Africa lesson book exercise question and answer and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, dash was brought to the attention of the East India Company by Francis Light. Option A, Spice Islands. Option B, Java Island. Option C, Penang Island. Option D, Malacca. Here the correct answer is option C, Penang Island. Second one, in 1896, dash states were formed into federated Malay states. Option A, 4. Option B, 5. Option C, 3. Option D, 6. Here the correct answer is option A, 4. Third one, dash was the only part of Indochina which was directly under French control. Option A, Annam. Option B, Tonkin. Option C, Cambodia. Option D, Cochin China. So here the correct answer is option D, Cochin China. Fourth one, the discovery of gold in the dash led to a large number of British miners settled in and around Johannesburg. Option A, Transvaal. Option B, Orange Free State. Option C, Cape Colony. Option D, Rhodesia. Here the correct answer is option A, Transvaal. Fifth one, dash became the first European power to establish trade with India. Option A, Portuguese. Option B, French. Option C, Danish. Option D, Dutch. Here the correct answer is option A, Portuguese. Sixth one, indentured labor system was a form of dash. Option A, contract labor system. Option B, slavery. Option C, debt bondage. Option D, serfdom. Here the correct answer is option C, debt bondage. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash conference resolved to divide Africa into spheres of influence of the various European powers. The answer is the Berlin Colonial. Second one, the settlement made with the Jamindars of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa is dash. The answer is permanent settlement. Third one, dash was the main source of revenue for the British. The answer is land tax. Fourth one, dash were moneylenders in the Tamil speaking areas. The answer is Nattukottai Chettiyars. Third Roman letter, find out the correct statement. First one, statement 1. Until the last quarter of the 19th century, Africa south of Sahara was unknown to the world. Statement 2. The coastal states of Gold Coast became a British colony in 1864. Statement 3. Spain ruled the Philippines for over 500 years. Statement 4. The famine of 1876 to 78 occurred in Odisha. Option A, 1 is correct. Option B, 2 is correct. Option C, 2 and 3 are correct. Option D, 4 is correct. So from these 4 statements, we should find out the correct statement. The answer is option A, that is statement 1 is correct. Other 3 statements are wrong. Second one, statement 1. The French had occupied Java and Sumatra in 1640. Statement 2. The Dutch began their conquest of the English settlements by capturing Malacca. Statement 3. Berlin Conference met to decide all issues connected with the Congo River Basin. Statement 4. The possessions of Sultan of Zanzibar were divided into French and German spheres of influence. Option A, 1 is correct. Option B, 1 and 2 are correct. Option C, 3 is correct. Option D, 4 is correct. So from these 4 statements, we should find out the correct statement. So here the answer is option C, that is statement 3 is correct. Other 3 statements are wrong. Third one, assertion. In the Madras Presidency, the famine of 1876 to 78 was preceded by droughts. Reason: because of the colonial government's policy of laissez-faire in the trade of food grains. Option A is correct or is wrong. Option B, both A and R are wrong. Option C, A is correct or is not the correct explanation of A. Option D, A is correct. Or is the correct explanation of A. So here the correct answer is option D. A is correct. Or is the correct explanation of A. Fourth one, accession. Berlin Conference agreed to the rule of Leopold II in Congo Free State. Reason, Leopold II, King of Belgium, showed interest in Congo. Option A, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are correct and R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is correct and R is wrong. Option D, A is wrong but R is correct. So here the correct answer is option A. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Fourth Roman letter, match the following. First one, Leopold, Belgium. Second one, Menelik, Ethiopia. Third one, Cecil Rhodes, Cape Colony. Fourth one, Bengal famine, 1770. Fifth one, Baudai, Vietnam. Fifth Roman letter, answer the following briefly. Question number 1. Distinguish between colonialism and imperialism. Question number 2. Write a note on Zulu tribe. Question number 3. State the 3 phases in the colonialization of Indian economy. Fourth one, Colonel Peniquick. Question number 5. Explain Ohm charges. Sixth Roman letter, answer in detail. Question number 1. Discuss the economic impact of British rule in India. Question number 2. Explain the process of colonization in Africa. Activity question number 2. Attempt an account of the cultural relations between India and Southeast Asia. Assignment question number 1. Arrange a debate in the classroom on the merits and demerits of the British rule in India. Question number 2. Explore the impact of colonialism in British Burma. Additional questions for TNPSC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.